you're ready to contact 1 mile southwest of the Central Wisconsin Airport.
There's our 757 right there.
Romeo radar contact 5 miles south of the airport to altitude. Roger, that's going to be your cruising altitude today. Romeo, roger.
There he is.
63 Minneapolis Center, just going to maintain flight level 180. Flight 163, you are set on to verify flight level 180. 17 Romeo, did you also call? Maintain VFR. The Mike Tango calling, who was that? Via direct falls and then Ernie 4 arrival. Maintain 3000, expect 13,000, 1 0 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.4, squawk 2610. 2,400. Keep up my test test now, 30 position southbound. 215 Juliet, I'm going to lose you here in frequency coverage. Radar service is terminated, plug VFR, frequency change approved. Contact 10 miles north around the airport to altitude.
Thank you, Delta 753.
1022, Roger, Toyota altitude. Our 4 November is going to make this a stop and go. Still 4 November, rest for my 24, click yes. Mike traffic, 2 miles southwest position, Skylane level is 6,000. Now, boy 4186, tower, just advise when you are ready to go. 7 Minneapolis Center, Rylander altimeter.
Here we have our Delta A319 coming in on 18.
Last heading 140 for future false November. 647, that was not for you, man. This is for 4 November, last heading 140. 647, radar contact, 17 miles southwest of Green Bay Airport. Understand you're headed to East Gibraltar. Maintain VFR at or above 3,500 until further advised. Green Bay altimeter is 3036. Say your altitude.
It's right there, A319.
23450, maintain
from
altitude at 350
Minneapolis.
or 3500 or above. Archer 647.
Minneapolis Center, Central Wisconsin, altimeter 3035. Number 44 November, turn left heading 090.
This one is
For
not
November,
a
what is your
Packers
requested
charter.
on-course heading? On-course for 12 November.
Touchdown.
Tango X-ray, descend to power discretion, maintain 3,000. Discretion 3,000, 615 Tango X-ray. I do have the weather south, but it's visual to 16. November 5 Tango X-ray, roger. November 90417 Kilo, descend to power discretion, maintain 3,000.
Let's watch him turn off here.
Traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound. It's a Cherokee talking to me, VFR at 2,000 feet currently. Additional traffic is 5 miles southeast of the Clintonville Airport. Appears to be circling. Else indicates 2,700. November, again, the traffic is circling in the west side here, 12 o'clock, 2,000 feet. Clear through 3 o'clock, VFR after this.
And we have 2 planes in one frame here now. With the United Earth and American Let's Takeoff on 1-8. And he has been cleared for takeoff. Look at all those Delta planes at the gate now. With an addition of one more. It's right there. Here we have an American ERJ 135 and a Delta A319 that just came in from Minneapolis. He's going out to Chicago. American ERJ 135 going to Chicago O'Hare. Alright, come on, buddy. On takeoff roll.
5750, Papa flight run heading runway 24, clear takeoff.
Lineup at GRB gates today here. Let's see here. A321, A319 going into the gate. I don't know where the 753 is though, but it's definitely a good looking lineup over there. We have our ERJ 175 in sight. He's not that far away. United ERJ 175 and what looks to be like a Piper or a Cessna just took off from 24. Very nice job. Well done, boyos. Looks to be like a Cessna. Can't tell for sure. But we do have a nice United plane on final coming in from Chicago O'Hare, an E175. Here we have the United E175 coming in from Chicago O'Hare on short final for runway 18 at GRB. Busy day at GRB today. a high in the 50s. Come on, reverse. Reverse thrust. That didn't last long. Let's get him getting off the runway. How about that? There you go, United Express. Good job, ERJ 175. And onto that current lineup right there. That ERJ line onto that lineup. Took him almost the entire runway, surprisingly. Which is kind of weird. But whatever.